my dear kids. Good morning and a warm welcome to our today's session. I hope you guys are doing good. Okay, today we're gonna continue with our lesson 4 mass. Okay, last class we discussed, last lesson 3 is length. So the second session is mass. Okay, that deals with weight. Okay. So in this lesson also we are going to see different units of weights, how to convert the higher units of weight to lower units, as well as addition subtraction. Okay. Before that, here we have the takeoff section. So let's see the takeoff section first. Okay. So using which will you measure the following? Okay. Tick your weight. Okay. How will you measure your weight as kilogram? Okay, weight of the pencil. So weight of the pencil is gram. Okay, weight of a chocolate, it's also gram. Weight of a bicycle is kilogram. Okay, weight of a laptop, it is also a kilogram. Okay, are you clear guys? Clear guys? Okay, next we can move to the next session is weight. Okay, so until about 200 years ago, each country had its own system of weights. Then a new system of unit called the metric measures was invented in France. So underline this. A new system of unit called metric measures invented in France. Okay, underline this also. Standard unit of mass or weight are gram and kilogram. Okay, standard unit of weight are gram and kilogram. Okay guys, are you clear? So our next section is units of weight. Okay, smallest unit of weight is milligram. Please underline my dear kids. Smallest unit of weight is milligram. Largest unit of weight is kilogram. Okay, so 1000 milligram is equal to 1 gram. 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Okay. Now we are going to see example regarding conversion of higher units of weight to lower units. To convert higher units of weights to lower units, we multiply. Okay, to convert kilogram to gram, multiply kilograms by 1000. Okay, so this is higher to lower. Then lower to higher, if you want to convert, means as usual divide. Okay, divide by 1000. Here to convert gram to milligram, multiply gram by 1000. Okay, are you clear? So let's see the examples. Okay, here we have the very first example. Convert 41 kilogram 32 gram to grams. Okay, so already we seen to convert higher units of weights to lower unit, what do you want to do? You should multiply. Okay, so we know that, listen my dear kids. So we know that 1 kilogram is equal to how many grams? 1000 gram. Okay, are you clear guys? Okay, now 41 kg is equal to how to find 41? 1 kg is 1000 gram, it's 41 kilogram means 41 into 1000. 41 into 1000, which gives, so 1000 gram, which gives you how much ma? 41,000. Okay, are you clear? Now write the question. 41 kg 320 gram is equal to, instead of 41 kg, write this 41,000 gram. Okay, 41,000 gram. So 41,000 gram plus this 320 gram. Okay, so whenever you are adding, you will get 41,320 gram. This is the answer. Are you clear guys? Yes, first we know 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So 41 kg is equal to 41 into 1000. Multiply. Then write the question. Add used to. Okay, you will get the answer. Okay, our next example is convert 15 gram 45 milligram to milligrams. Okay, now just now we seen that 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. Okay, now what is 15 gram then? 15 gram is equal to 15 into 15,000. Okay, that's equal to 15,000 milligram. Okay, are you clear? Now write the question as usual. Just below example how we can write that like that. Okay, so 15 gram and 45 milligram is equal to, now instead of 15 gram write 15,000 milligram plus this 45 milligram. So what is the answer? We get the answer as 15,045 milligram. Are you clear, guys? So let's see the next example. The next example deals with conversion of lower unit of weights to higher units. Okay. The first example is convert 2000 gram to kilogram. Conversion of lower units to higher units. Okay. 2000 gram to kilograms. Okay. Here first we know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Okay, we know that. So 2000 in the question what they are given? They given us 2000 gram. So 2000 gram is equal to, how to find 2 into, how to split that? 2 into 1000 gram. I am right? Yes. So we know that 1000 gram is what, ma? 1 kg. So instead of 1000 gram, write there 2 into 1 kg. So what is the answer? 2 kg. Okay. This is one of the method, or either the base. This is one of the method. Alternate method is there. So it is given in your textbook. Alternate method is there. So that's why just I explain. The basic is to convert the lower units to higher unit. You just divide by 1000. Okay, divide by 1000. If you want to convert higher units to lower units, multiply by 1000. Here if you want to convert lower units to higher units, divide by 1000. Okay, so or this is one of the method, or either second method is write the question to 2000 gram is equal to 2000 divided by 1000. Okay, 2000 divided by 1000. So 1000 write as kg. So we get the answer as 2 kg. Okay, in the both the method you will get the same answer. Okay guys, are you clear? Okay, listen, our next example is convert 4245 gram to kilograms. Okay, so already we see, if you want to convert, what do you want to do? Just divide by 1000. Okay. So 4245 gram is equal to, what do you want to do? The easy method is just divide. Okay, so 4245 divided by 1000 kilogram. So division by 100 already we seen, 10, 100 and 1000 we seen already. I am right. Here after the point, after the decimal point, there should be 3 numbers. Okay, why? Because the number after the decimal point will depends upon the zeros. Here we have 3 zeros, so there should be 3 numbers should be there after the decimal point. Okay, here we have 4 numbers, so after the 3 numbers keep the decimal point from your right to left. Okay, so here our number, at the number, so 4.245. Okay, so here after the decimal point there are 3 numbers. Why? Because this here the denominator contains 3 zeros. Okay, are you clear guys? So the answer is 4.245 kg, kilogram. Okay. Okay guys, let's see the next session. Add the following, that is addition and subtraction of weights. Okay, so let's see the exercise 4.3 very first problem. Okay, so add 15 kilogram, 375 gram and 12 kilogram, 550 gram. Okay, just add normal addition. Okay, so first from your right to left start add. 5 plus 0 So guys, please do along with me normal addition. Okay, 5 plus 0 gives you 5. 7 plus 5, 7 plus 5 is 12. Write the 2 here and 1 as carry forward. Okay, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 5 gives you 9. Come to the next session. 5 plus 2 7, 1 plus 1 2. So what is the answer? 27 kilogram and 925 gram is the answer. Okay, likewise do the remaining sums. Okay, just homework for you. Please guys, please do this. Okay, this is very simple normal addition. Okay, try to do. Okay guys, so the addition have 6 problems are there. One I finished one, so do the 5 as homework. Okay, now come to this next session, subtraction of weight. So come to the exercise 4.4. subtract the following very first problem. Okay, 78 gram 841 milligram subtract minus 52 gram 621 milligram. Okay, normal subtraction. So start from your right to left. So 1 minus 1, 0. 4 minus 2, it's 2. 8 minus 6, it's 2. 8 minus 2 again. 8 minus 2 gives you. So 8 minus 2 gives you 6. 7 minus 5, it's 2. Okay. So what is the answer? 26 gram, 220 milligram. Okay, normal subtraction, do the remaining as homework. Okay guys, so addition as well as subtraction is a homework section for you. Please don't forget to do this, very simple. After finishing this work, please guys take a photo and send to me. Okay, don't forget that. Okay guys, in this section, please do this exercise 4.2 as well as 4.1, just conversion. Okay, please do this 2 section as well as addition. Already I show that 4.3 that contains 5 addition problem as well as 4.4 contain 5 subtraction problem. Guys, please finish it. Okay. Okay. So in this unit, please go through those sections. Very, very important. Okay. Now move on to our next lesson, capacity. Okay, already lesson 3 is length, lesson 2 is regard with mass, and third is capacity. Okay, so before that same we are going to see, first you're gonna see the conversion, afterwards addition and subtraction. Okay, as usual. Okay, before that comes the takeoff section, water in a bucket. How to measure this water in a bucket? It is liter and milliliter. Yes, it is liter. Okay, medicine bottle is ml, milliliter. Okay, spoon of cough syrup is milliliter. Perfume bottle, again it's milliliter. Water in a fish tank, it's more is there, so liter. Okay, so come to this session. Liter is a standard unit of measuring capacity. Liter and milliliters are the 2 commonly used units. Milliliter is denoted by ml and liter is denoted by L. Please underline these 3 lines, very, very important. Okay. Now, see this yellow box. To convert from liter to milliliter, multiply liter by 1000. Okay. To convert from milliliter to liter, divide milliliter by 1000. Please underline this 2 lines, very, very important. Okay. Now come to this question, conversion of units of capacity. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. 1 milliliter is equal to 1000 liter. So 1 liter is 1000 milliliter. So 1 milliliter is equal to 1000 liter. Okay, just reverse. Please by heart these 2 things. Okay, so let's see the very first example. Okay guys. Okay guys, the very first example is, okay, we know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So 6 liter is equal to 6 into 1000. 6 into 1000 milliliter, which is equal to 6000 milliliter. Okay, are you clear? Now this is the third section we are saying. This all regards to metric measures. So in the length and the mass, we deals the same type of problem. So I thought that when we come to the last session, capacity, now you are very familiar and it is very easy for you. I'm right guys? Yes. So just multiply, you will get the answer. Okay. Next question, convert to milliliters. Okay. We know that as usual, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Okay. Now come to the question. 4 liter 765 milliliter. So instead of 4 liter, how to write? 4 milliliter plus 765 milliliter. 4000 milliliter plus 765 milliliter. So just add, you will get 4765 milliliter. Okay. Are you clear guys? Yes. Okay guys, see the next question. Convert 7845 milliliter to liter. It is lower units to higher units. Okay, milliliter to liter. So as usual, if you want to convert lower to higher, what do you want to do, ma? Divide by 1000. The same thing is here. So 7845 milliliter is equal to 7845 divided by 1000. Okay. So as usual, we know denominator contains 3 zeros. So after the decimal, there should be 3 numbers. So up 3 numbers, 7.845. Okay. 845 liter is the answer. Okay guys, are you clear? Okay guys, next class we can see the remaining addition and subtraction of capacities. Okay. So far we discussed conversion of liters to milliliter. Okay, as well as mass. Lesson 4 mass, just conversion as well as addition and subtraction. Please watch the video. Please go through the exercise as well as complete the homeworks. Okay. Next class we can see the addition and subtraction of this lesson. That is capacities. Okay. Okay guys, thank you. Take care. Bye.